Welcome everyone to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can recover your Yahoo password. Now to begin the process, first of all open a Google browser on your PC and then open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in yahoo.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page. Here on the official web page you need to click on sign in over here. Click on it. On the sign-in page, you need to provide the username, email or the mobile number. Type in the username, email or the mobile number that you have used during the creation of Yahoo account. I'm going to type in my email address of Yahoo. Then click on next. Now here on the password page, you need to click on forgot password. Click on it. It will direct you to the recovery process of your password. Now, do you have this phone? While you create an account, you were asked to provide a phone number for the recovery or the confirmation of your account. They will send a verification code to that number. So click on yes, send me code. Now you wait for the code from Yahoo. Once you receive the code, you need to type in the code over here on the text box. Type in that code. Then click on verify. This will verify your account and it will direct you to the page where you will be able to provide a new password. Now type in the new password for your Yahoo account and then click on continue. You have successfully created a new password. Click on continue, and with that the recovery process for the Yahoo is completed and you have been logged in into the account as well. So this is how you can recover Yahoo password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.